Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is a quick tip. You've ordered all of your furniture, you've got your flooring down. What's the first step? I've got some tips for you to get you started to make the most of your furniture and the whole process. Where I start, you come on in with me. This is a double decker, but whether you have these uprights or not, you've got doors, you've got places where you need furniture to fit. I always start by getting my console in. My console is screwed into the floor. Then, if you're using a large console, you've got your base in, I can go ahead and remove the top, and I'll be able to take this off the boat to install the gauges and control box and everything, make my cutouts. Once my console is in, now I get a floor plan layout of where everything else can go. In terms of the back benches, we're gonna go ahead and fit in our corner seat first. I'll get that snugged into place. Then I'll go ahead and run my screws to hold that base to the floor. Then I'll fill in my outside. And as you can see, I go ahead, I don't put the bottom cushion on yet, the butt cushion, but I have attached the back cushion. So when I squeeze everything together, my bases and everything will fit per that back cushion. The butt cushion will then install no problem as long as your bases and back cushions line up. As we come to the front of the boat, every boat's a little different on the shape of the corners. This is the luxury seating with the gray and charcoal accent. These lean back seats really can't fit into a front corner. Obviously this is a wide radius, but even if you have a traditional, we call it a 28-inch corner, that tighter corner with a little bit of round, these still will not fit up in the front corner. You'd need to do an armrest or a 28 corner. These fit great as an end cap, right next to a door or an open space. But I'm gonna come to the front first and get my front seats or armrest installed first, and then I can work back from there. I'm gonna do that on both front corners. Then I'll fill in this 38 bench, screw that to the floor. Then I'll bring in my luxury lean back and I'll screw that in. I'll do the same on this side. Then all my furniture is in. Before I put the butt cushions on, I'll run my electrical for LEDs, speakers, etc. That's how I approach beginning to bring things back to life on a pontoon after I get the floor and railings back in.